Okay, everybody, if you got a new Polaris Sportsman 450, this is a 2019. If you got that rattle, which I'm probably pretty sure you all do, there's a major fix that needs to be repaired. So if you got this noise, let me start this up. Hear that tick? There's going to be a tick to your engine. This little tick is from the motor bouncing on the frame right there. And it's eroding that head cover. This is a fix that Polaris needs to address right now because you can see it. It's right there. See how it's actually wearing away the head? Let me show you a little better. Look at that. If it keeps going on for a long time, you're going to be replacing this whole head cover right there. So this is a factory recall. I sure don't think it's special on just this one unit. I'm sure it's pretty consistent on all of them because that's how they build them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind away that little piece of metal right there, that edge is digging into it, and I'm going to put a little rubber support next to that rail. So hopefully it should take care of it on a permanent basis. So there's your Polaris rattle right there. That has to be fixed.